y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is India. If you are new here and if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. So you guys know that we are in our Declutter my hair stash products series, and this is going to be part 2. So this is going to be all about just my regular conditioners. Now in the last video I told y'all I was going to put the conditioners and the deep conditioners together. Y'all will be sitting here all day because you know your girl got a bunch of deep conditioners. All right, so I want to make sure I give the deep conditioners their just due, so I'm going to do it in a separate category on their own. So again, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss these videos and you can see everything that's in my hair stash. Okay, so this video shouldn't be as long as the shampoos, but it definitely had enough to make it its own section. So today we're going to talk about just regular, like, rinse out conditioners. So those conditioners that you can apply right after shampooing. It's not a deep conditioner, but yeah, so I don't have a whole lot of these because you guys know here on this channel I really like to deep condition. I like to let my conditioner sit in my hair, penetrate. I like a mask, a treatment, something that's going to be thick and heavy because my hair is really coily, curly, you know, and thick. So I need that for my hair to stay moisturized. But there are some times when I wash my hair when I either don't have time to deep condition or I just feel like maybe my hair doesn't need to be deep conditioned, which is not often because I usually always deep condition. But like I said, sometimes I just need a regular conditioner, and here are the ones that I have in my stash. Here we go. So first up we have the Palmer's Olive Oil Formula. This is the Shine Therapy Conditioner. It's Jamaican black castor oil. It's free of paraben, mineral oil, and gluten, and it's sulfate free as well. It says it detangles, enhances fullness, and it is color safe. So this is what this one looks like. You guys know that I have the shampoo to match this one, and I really do thoroughly enjoy the Palmer's line of hair products. I love their shampoos, the deep conditioners, the conditioner. This conditioner I love to use as well. It does detangle really well and it smells good too. So if you are someone who does love a good rinse out conditioner, I would definitely highly suggest trying the Palmer's line. Alright, next up we have the Carol's Daughter Coco Creme Curl Quenching Conditioner for very dry, curly to coily hair. It has no silicone, no parabens, no petroleum, no mineral oil, or artificial color. And this is the coconut and mango, and y'all, I like this. You can see, so I've used about to here, so I'm almost halfway there. And y'all know my Carol's Daughter Coco Creme, I love the way that it smells, but this conditioner is really good for detangling as well, and it gives you like really soft hair. So after you use this conditioner, it definitely makes your hair soft. So this is definitely one of my favorite just regular rinse out conditioners. Next up, I do have the Head & Shoulders Royal Oil Moisture Renewal Conditioner with coconut oil. So if you know, you know, I love the Royal Oil shampoo, and I also have the conditioner to follow up with it as well. I don't actually gravitate towards the conditioner as much as I do the shampoo, but I probably should give it a try to see if I like it as much. I think I've only used this like once or twice, so I can't really tell you if I love it or not because I haven't used it enough, but I really do like the shampoo from this line, so that's why I have the matching conditioner. So I may give this a shot and see if I like this a little bit more. Right now, as far as to recommend it, I can't recommend it yet because I haven't used it enough, but if you've used it, let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. Next up, I have the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost Conditioner, and this says it's created for all curl patterns and texture. It detangles, it protects color, it restores, softens, and shine. And y'all, I love this. Now I have the deep conditioner for this line and I love it down, so I actually really do enjoy the conditioner in this line. If you're looking for something that's going to give you moisture, and if you're looking for something that's going to help you detangle, this regular conditioner definitely does the trick, and to boot, it smells really, really good. So if you like that kind of tropical kind of smell, then this is going to do it for you. Again, the Palmer's line, I really love their hair care products. It does the job for me and I really like it. So if you haven't tried anything from the Palmer's hair care line, I would definitely say give it a try. Next up, I have this one and only Argan Oil Moisture Repair Conditioner. If you know or have been on my channel for a while, you know that I love the one and only Argan Oil treatment, and that's usually what I put on my hair to give it like that extra boost of shine. I use it all the time. Well, I also have the conditioner that goes along with that. I think I had the shampoo at one point too. I know I have the leave-in, which we'll talk about that in the leave-in category, but I do have the conditioner, and I do actually like this conditioner. I feel that it does moisturize really, really well, and it helps to define my curls too. So this conditioner, I would say give it a try if you can find it or get your hands on it. Next up is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Conditioner. And y'all, I promise you, this is not any way or shape sponsored by Palmer's, but I really do enjoy their hair care line. So again, out of all the ones that I show you, pick whichever one you think best fits your hair needs, and I think you would enjoy it. Palmer's really does a good job with their hair care. So this one is the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Lip Retention Conditioner. You already know that I have the shampoo that matches this. Really thoroughly enjoy it, and this is just the follow-up conditioner. Really enjoy it. And let me see if I can see, the bottle is dark, but I think I am about right here in the bottle. And again, for me, that's really good, and it says something, because these are the conditioners that I gravitate to when I'm not deep conditioning, which is rare because I'm usually always deep conditioning. But if I'm not deep conditioning and I just use a regular conditioner, this is what I'm pulling. So out of all these Palmer ones, again, I'm clearly a Palmer's girl. So Palmer's, holla at your girl. Next up, what would I be if I didn't have a Design Essential in here? So I have the Design Essential Almond and Avocado Moisturizing Detangler Conditioner. Y'all know that I love this brand, this line. I love the shampoo, the conditioner. I equally love it. It smells good. It's good for detangling. It gets the job done. It's a really good conditioner, very good staple, and I think this was one of those conditioners that will always be in my hair stash. Next up, I have the J.O.S. Chebe Cado Moisture Boost Conditioner with Vitamin E and Pro Vitamin B5. So this says that it restores dry damaged hair while maintaining healthier curls and coils. If you watched the shampoo video, if you didn't, I'm gonna link it. Y'all watch the shampoo video. You know that I have the matching shampoo for this, but I also told you that I don't reach for this because I'm not familiar with the brand. I got this in a curl box and I just never really picked it up. So I'm going to move this to the front of my conditioners to pick this up and use it and see if I like it, because if I don't try it, I'm never gonna know, and it's just gonna keep sitting here. So I need to actually use it to see if I like it. But if you guys have used this J.O.S. brand or have heard of this, please let me know what your thoughts are. I'm probably gonna look up and see if I can find some reviews on it or something, but I'm very interested to see how it's gonna work because I think it's really good. I just haven't picked it up, but I'm gonna move it to the front for this year. All right, next up I have the Chebe Argan Oil with Moringa Oil Blend Conditioner. And this is what this looks like. You guys know that I have the matching shampoo for this as well. So this conditioner I usually only gravitate to and use when I am wearing my hair or planning to wear my hair straight. You guys know that Chebe is supposed to be really good for like thermal protection and all that good stuff. So this is when I would use that conditioner. So I do not use this conditioner at all on my curly hair, only when I plan on wearing it straight. Next up, I have the Creme of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Detangle and Slip Rinse Out and Leave-In Conditioner. So this one is a multi. You can leave it in or rinse it out. It's the Butter Blend Flaxseed Oil Argan Oil, and it has all the no's. No sulfate, no mineral oil, no silicones, no petroleum, no paraffin, and no drying alcohol. So again, this one is a double duty, so I can either use this as a leave-in or a rinse out. I want to say I only used this once, and I think I told you guys because I do have the matching shampoo. I haven't reached for it that often. I'm not sure why, and because it is a rinse out and a leave-in conditioner, I'm actually really curious, and I think this is why it continues to stay in my stash, because I want to use it but I keep forgetting that I have it. So I'm definitely going to move this to the front this year to see if I actually like it or not. And of course, if y'all use this, let me know your thoughts as well. The next one I have is Garnier Fructis. This is the Damage Eraser Fortifying Conditioner. It's for distressed damaged hair. This conditioner I really love, but I don't use it on my natural hair. This is one of those conditioners that I use when I'm washing and conditioning my bundles and wearing those. It gets the jobs done. So this is a conditioner that always will be in my stash. I just don't actually use it on my actual natural hair. I use it for my weaves and all that good stuff. Next, I have the Kenra All Curl Balance Conditioner. Now, this one, if you guys watch the shampoo video, you know I have the rinse. It's not a shampoo, it's a rinse, but it has a follow-up balancing conditioner. So the moisture is medium, the elongation is light, and then the definition is medium. And remember, with that rinse, all of those categories said light. So I told y'all I don't reach for that one because it says light, and I feel like I don't reach for this because it says medium and light. But I need to use it to see how I like it, because if I like it, then I'll keep it. If I don't like it, then I need to go ahead and get it out of my stash. I think I'm actually gonna like it because I do like some of the other Kenra products that I've tried for the hair care line in the past. So I just need to get out of the way of looking at this medium, light, medium down here at the bottom and try it and see what happens. So I'll keep y'all posted on this. This one will gonna get pulled to the front. Next, I have the TGIN Miracle Repair Strengthening Conditioner with black honey coconut oil. Y'all, this is one of my favorite conditioners, like favorite. TGIN did their big one when they came out with this line. I would say if you're gonna try, I know a lot of the girlies use the TGIN, the honey deep conditioner or whatever, but y'all, this Miracle Repair line, I love it down. I love it down. Whatever you can get your hands on with this Miracle Repair line, it's good. I love this, and I actually will use this regular conditioner as a deep conditioner from time to time. So this TGIN Miracle Repair, I feel like it does a really good with strengthening your hair, moisturizing your hair, and it's really good for detangling as well. So get your hands on this. You need it. Again, if you see this line, period, the Miracle Repair, try it if you haven't, because it's really, really good. All right, so last but not least, I do have the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Reparative Conditioner. It says it strengthens, repair for damaged or color treated hair, and this is what this one looks like. So you all know I actually just hauled this not too long ago, and I got it from TJ Maxx on clearance, and this is supposed to be a really good conditioner. Again, I just hauled it last month, so I haven't had the chance or opportunity to use it yet, but it is in my stash and I'm super excited about using it. So you will see this or hear me talking about this. If you've used any of the Adwoa Blue Tansy line, if you've used any of their products, please let me know in the comments how you like it, because I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not yet, but I'm super excited about it and I think I will. So there's that one. All right, y'all, so that ends the video for today. That was all of my regular conditioners. So you can see I do have quite a few, but not a whole lot, because again, I don't really gravitate towards regular conditioners because I really am into my deep conditioners. So the next video is gonna be, I know y'all want to see this one. The next video is gonna be all about my deep conditioners, and y'all, I'm overflowing with deep conditioners is all I'm gonna say. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you tell me in the comments if you are a conditioner. Do you use rinse out conditioners, or do you use deep conditioners, or do you use both? Because I do know some people use both. Let me know in the comments, and let me know your favorite regular conditioners, and then y'all meet me back here so we can talk about the deep conditioners next. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.